Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this lovely makeup. It's a Valentine's Day inspired makeup. I wanted to do something combining this beautiful palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Master Palette by Mario, yep. Is really old. This is not new, but I've had this palette and I've actually never used it, so I'm like, this is the perfect time to, do a makeup look. So I decided to use this palette to create this beautiful makeup along with my LA Color liquid lipstick. Is a matte lipstick, is really matte. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Like, this palette is so beautiful. Like, look at that, it is so beautiful. Like, I love this palette. But yeah, this is the look I came up with. It's a really nice, it's a really easy look that you can create, nothing too much. So I wanted to kind of keep it simple but at the same time glamorous. So yeah, let me know what you think about this look. I keep squinting my eyes because I actually want you guys to take a look. Like, breathe it in. Look at this look. I want you to breathe it in. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know if you enjoy this look and what you would like me to create. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I am back and I'm moving and ain't nothing stopping me. You know what I mean? Yo, I dab with everything. I'm gonna dab on my Valentine's Day. Like, I'm like swerve, it's like nah. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. Bye.